Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on MacBook Air M4. First of all, I want to mention that I'm using macOS version 26, so if you're using an earlier version of macOS, then the instructions may vary for you. And now, there are various ways to take a screenshot on your MacBook, and the first one is the full screen screenshot. To perform this kind of screenshot, you're gonna have to use the combination of three keys: Shift, Command, and 3. Once you press all of these three buttons, you will see the notifications in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you click on it, you will see the preview of your screenshot. You can edit it by clicking the pencil icon, which will result in the quick editing tools appearing at the top of your window. You can also delete it right away by clicking the trash bin icon, or you can share it clicking the sharing icon. And once you're done, click done, and the screenshot that you just took will be saved on your home screen. Let me just delete the previous ones. Here it is. Now, if you want to screenshot a specific area, you have to use the Shift, Command, and 4 combination of keys. It will result in your cursor turning into the crosshair. And now if you want to take a screenshot of a selected area, just select it and the screenshot will be taken, and it will look like this. Now you can do basically everything you could have done with the previous screenshot. So let's click done. That screenshot once again will be saved on the home screen. The third way to take a screenshot is a windowed screenshot. So if you want to take a screenshot of a window, for example this Notes application, you just have to press Shift, Command, and 4 once again. And now press Spacebar, and then click at the window that you want to take a screenshot of. And that's what it looks like. Again, you can do everything you could have done with the previous two screenshots. So let's click done, and once again the screenshot is saved on the home screen. Now if you want to take to open the screenshot menu, you're gonna have to press the Shift, Command, and 5 combination of keys. And here you can choose either to capture a selected window, capture an entire screen, or to capture a selected portion. You can also have access to recording options here. And once you have chosen the option that you need, you can just click capture, and the screenshot once again will be taken. And now, as a bonus, I also want to tell you how to add a screenshot button to the menu bar for quick access. So first of all, you have to click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, go to System Settings, on the sidebar select Menu Bar right here, and now click Add Controls. And now let's find the screenshot option here. And here we have it: capture screen, capture selection, or custom capture. Just click the plus icon and select add to either to the menu bar or to the control center, wherever it's more convenient for you to use it. Let's add it to the control center. Okay, and now you can have access to all the screenshot types by swiping down the control center of your device. And here we have it. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.